Welcome back, my friends, to another Wendy's stock update. Another fairly boring day, down 1% at $7.42 per share. I believe Wendy's is highly undervalued. Bear in mind, I am just some person on the internet sharing my opinion. That's all I'm doing. All right. You got Wendy's stock. Let's see what they're saying on Reddit. Getting closer to my goal of 5,000 shares. Somebody said Wendy is dead. That's typically a bullish sign. Here, kitty, kitty. This is a good Reddit to join, by the way. 2.5 thousand weekly visitors. It is growing. Right on. You can buy a Wendy's race car. GTA graphics. Yo, if you're a 90s kid, you know what game that's from. Wendy's is actually delicious. Wendy's is a deep value stock. Yeah, it definitely is. GameStop was a long process. That's what a lot of people don't understand. All right. We're like 2 weeks in. Roaring Kitty was making his videos well over a year before it even caught attention, let alone got the squeeze. Okay. So if you're new to this, you don't know how squeezes work, or you weren't around in 2021, go to Roaring Kitty on YouTube, watch his old streams. First of all, they're therapeutic. The dude is just amazing charisma, amazing energy, like seems like a rad ass dude. But secondly, you'll learn that the dude had a thesis, was patient, and he just waited out. And that's the name of the game a lot of times. If you can just wait out your opponent, a lot of times you'll win because people don't like to be patient. He was patient for the GameStop thesis to play out. I'll be patient for the Wendy's squeeze thesis to play out too. Still high short percentage. Even if there's not like a 1 day squeeze, I believe it goes multiples from here. And if you're playing leap calls or if you have shares, you can make a ton of cash. And it's not even about the amount of cash you make, it's about learning and genuine human connection. This is not financial advice. I love you. See you for the next video.